हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज की। क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज को समझने के पहले हम लोग अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, वी नो दैट कि व्हेनेवर एनी बॉडी लूजेस इलेक्ट्रॉन देन इट रिक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज और व्हेनेवर एनी बॉडी एक्सेप्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन देन इट रिक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज। नाउ क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज इट मीन्स दैट whenever any body loses electron or accept electron, then how many charge that body requires. It depends on the number of electron donated or accepted by the body or by the conductor. So in the case of quantization of charge, quantization of charge, it means the total charge on any body is equal to integral multiple of charge of one electron. That is going to be Q is equals to plus minus n into E. This is the mathematical expression of quantization of charge, where n is the number of electron loss oblique gain, E is the charge on electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is going to be the value of charge. Suppose any conductor donated 5 electron to another conductor, then we will find out how many positive charge that conductor acquired. N is equals to 5, E is equals to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and Q is to be determined. हम लोग यही जानना चाह रहे हैं कि उसने 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करे हैं तो उसको कितना चार्ज आया, पॉजिटिव चार्ज। Q is equals to N5 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, that is going to be 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. By the help of quantization of charge, we have find out the value of the total charge on any body, on any object. Okay. Suppose this time you have been given charge on any body. You don't know how many electron donated or accepted by the conductor, but you have given charge on any body is minus 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Negative sign indicates that the body has got negative charge. And when does the body acquire negative charge? When body accepted electron. Here we have to find out how many number of electron the body accepted. So n is to be determined. E we know that minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Q is equals to n into E plus minus n into E. N is equals to Q by E. Q has been given to us 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. So and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then n will become cancel it 2. It means the body have accepted 2 electrons. Here quantization of charge tells us the total charge on any body is equal to the integral multiple of charge of 1 electron. जितना बॉडी इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगी उतना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पर जो चार्ज होगा उसका इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल होता चला जाएगा. इट मीन्स दैट क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज टेल्स अस बॉडी डू नॉट लूजेस इलेक्ट्रॉन in the part of fraction. Body loses electron in the part of whole, as a whole part. Okay, that is, here we have got another question, and that question is, suppose body has charge 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. My question is that is it possible that the body have a charge of 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb? Let us find out the number of electron. Suppose it is positive, then number of electron donated by the body having 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. N is to be determined. E 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then N is equals to Q by E. N is equals to 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Cancel it. There is 1 by 2, which is not possible because this is the half electron. According to one-dimensional charge, the total charge on a body is equal to interior multiple of charge of 1 electron. This is the half electron, which is not possible. It means that the body having 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge is not possible. As we had discussed in the previous lecture, then the SI unit of charge is 1 coulomb. SI unit of charge is 1 coulomb. So, if a body has 1 coulomb of charge, of positive charge or negative charge, then here we will find out how many electrons is to be removed or added on that body. If the body having positive charge, then it means that the body has lost electron. Then how many electrons that body has lost on acquiring a charge of 1 coulomb. So here we will find out the number of electron donated by the body or accepted by the body in 1 coulomb of charge. Again we will find out quantization of charge. Q equals to plus minus N into E. N is equals to Q by E. Q 1 coulomb, E 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here N is equals to 10 to the power, remove point and 10 upon 1.16 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. N is equal to 10 to the power 20 upon 16. Here you may write 100 into 10 to the power 18 upon 16. Divide 100 by 16. Here in this case, we will find out N is equals to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. This number of electron 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron is to be removed to acquire a body, to acquire a charge of 1 coulomb on any body. किसी बॉडी पर 1 coulomb of charge को एक्वायर करने के लिए आपको उसके अंदर से 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron remove करने पड़ेंगे. This is the exact numerical approach of quantization of charge. We'll see another some kind of examples on the basis of quantization of charge in the numerical part, that how many questions of quantization of charge is to be asked.